It's time to transform. Ready? Ready! Arms in! Put your arm in. Super Readers,
To the rescue! Alphapades with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power! Princess Presto with spelling power!
Super Y with the power to read. And Super U with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers!
Y Flyers.
Hi.
We're ready to fly.
Fly.
to the
Fly. That's it.
Super Readers,
To the rescue.
Ooh.
it's time to fly. With the Super Readers, 'cause we got a problem to solve. Super Readers, to the rescue. Super Readers, working together with power to read. Find the super story and solve it super wide. Super Readers, to the rescue.
Presto! We're in the book The Goose and the Golden Egg.
Let's read.
Oh.
Y Writers, highlight. Read with me. A man had a goose who laid golden eggs.
Come on, Goosey, lay those golden eggs.
The people in the village asked for a golden egg. The man wanted to keep all of the golden eggs for himself.
They're my golden eggs. You can't have any.
The man wants to keep all of his golden eggs, just like I want to keep all of my apples.
And that's super.
Ow. Ow. Ooh. Ow.
Red and the man both want to keep their things all for themselves.
Ooh.
Let's find out what the man does about his golden eggs. To the man and the goose. Let's roll.
Hi, we're the Super Readers, and we want to talk to you.
Come in, Super Readers. I'm counting my eggs. Come in. 207 golden egg treasures, and they're all mine.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of eggs.
Oh, not enough, my friend. I need more. More eggs. But I'm exhausted.
I think you mean eggs, Austin.
Honk. How will I ever lay more eggs?
Alphapades to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can help the goose lay more eggs. Okay, I need Super U to help me sing the alphabet. I'll build the letters. Ready? A, B, C. Sing
Hi.
with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Ow.
J,
Ow.
K,
Ow. Ooh.
Q-R-S, and
You.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Sing with me. Amazing alphabet singing. We have to find all the letters in the word more. First, we need the letter M. Do you
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's the L we need. Next, we need the letter O. Where's the O? There! 1 O to go. Now we need the letter
তুমি আসিও না, আমি খাবার